So, good morning, everyone. Myself, Asmita Gore, and today is the day 3 of the improve English communication skills. Let's get started. Today we can speak about the 123 words about 20 words about how to replace day-to-day life words. So let's get started. So today's we learned 20 words, advanced 20 advanced words you can add to your vocabulary. So welcome back to our Improve English Communication channels. And now let's get started. I am sure every day you say I need help. Let's share some others ways that I can this and add you. Let's we can add some ways. You can say could you walk me through, and then whatever you are struggling with. For example, the first sentence is I need help. So we can replace this sentence with the could you walk me through how to export this document. uh, Sometimes I need to help to other person. So I can, if I can replace this sentence with the another sentence like could you walk through, or could you walk me through how to export this document. So it is the other way to asking the help and help out to other persons. See these phrases. We see the phrase. Could you walk me through how to export this document? Okay, how to export this document. So notice here the expression is walk someone. Walk someone. Can you walk me? So the expression is could you walk me through something? Could you walk me through something? So our replace sentence is the could you walk me through how to export this document? Hmm, how to export this. Now to walk someone through these documents me to explain. So, walk me through, it means to explain something in details. To explain something in details. To show step by step. Could you walk me through it? You could also say any chance you would you also say any chance you know how to export this document? Any chance you know how to export this document? How can I export this document? So we can in the day-to-day life the sentence I need help we can replace number of times of the sentence, number of other sentence like the could you walk me through how to export this document. To explain something in details. Any chance is there any chance you know how to export this document? Okay. Notice I am saying any chance, that is a spoken English. The full grammatical structure is there any chance, but is the spoken English is generally dropped. But in the spoken English, we generally drop there the is there and the is there and just say any chance you know how to do something, or you can say would. We also replace I need help this sentence to would you mind showing me how to export this document? How to export this document? Let's try this right now. Would you mind commenting? Would you mind commenting? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go in a comment, because so it is would me really help me? And it is the another way of saying I need help. Would you mind? Would you mind commenting? Let's go the comments. I love this one. Do you have say a say in a short for a say? So, do you have a say to help me out? Do you have a say to help me out with this document? It is another way to replace I need help daily to daily life sentence. Do you have a say to help me out? Do you have a say to help me out this document? So the another way to say I need help is do you have a say to help me out by liking this video? Do you have a say to help me out by liking this video? So if this only take a second, so like this video. And so don't worry about the notes, talking about the notes, because I summarize everything in a free lesson PDF. You can find a link in the description. I am sure every day you can say and understand you. Yes, the second phrase is I don't understand. In a daily to daily life, we can use this sentence number of times. I don't understand. So, in the daily to day life, how we can replace this sentence with the other sentence, and the meaning of the sentence will be the same, but the words used to express that it will be a different. So, I don't understand these phrases will be replaced by I don't get how to export this document. I don't get how to export this document. So the second sentence, I am having a trouble to exporting this document. Okay. Mm, oh, is in the present continuous because it's taking. You can also use the preposition with I am have a troubling with, and then something is now I am. I'm having trouble with, and then something, and now I'm having trouble with the document. I'm still having trouble. Like, we can replace the fourth sentence like I'm not entirely clear how to export this document. So in this sentence, so notice entirely identifies it. I'm not entirely. So how we can clear how to export this document, or you can say simple say I am struggling again in the present. So it's continuously happens. It's happening now. I am struggling infinite. I am infinite infinitive. I am struggling to understand whatever that is. Every day you probably say I need more time. You can also say I am not going to make. I need more help. This sentence, we can replace this sentence. I'm not going to make the deadline. I'm not going to make a deadline. I'm not going to make a deadline. I'm not going to make a deadline. I need a more time. I need a more time. I need a more times. I'm not getting how to make this deadline. We also said we need to push back, postpone the deadline. We need to push back and postpone the deadline. We need to push back and postpone the deadline. You can also say, I am running behind on the project. I am running behind on the project. The present continuous talking place now. How about this one? We need to So we can say we need to buy sometimes with a client. To buy sometimes with a client. So we need to stall and delay the client, so we need create a more time. That's by more times you want to be a say, we need to stall delay the client, we can create a more time. So I'm sure we every day we can see, we can say I'm really busy, I'm really busy. So today is the part of the English speaking is now over. There is our target is really completed. So we'll the next video. Thank you.